Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone has cellular data and a lightning cable, and your PC account can install drivers. Plug the iPhone into the PC now. Windows should detect a new device. Unlock the iPhone, and when prompted, tap Trust to authorize the computer. Once done, open Settings on the iPhone and go to Personal Hotspot. Switch on Allow others to join or enable Personal Hotspot. Make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth can remain off because USB is the intended method. Once the phone is trusted, your PC must recognize it as a network adapter. Open Device Manager and look for Apple Mobile Device or Remote NDIS adapter. If it shows an error, install or update iTunes or the Apple drivers and reboot the PC. This resolves most driver mismatches. After drivers are healthy, open Network Connections, Control Panel, Right Arrow Network and Sharing Center, Right Arrow Change Adapter Settings, and confirm a new Ethernet-like adapter appears labeled. To finish, enable Personal Hotspot on the iPhone and verify you have a usable cellular signal. Then on the PC, select the iPhone adapter so it gets an IP address automatically via DHCP. Open a browser and test connectivity. If pages don't load, try this single most effective troubleshooting step. Disconnect, revoke Trust on the iPhone, restart both devices, reconnect, and when prompted, tap Trust again. That sequence clears authentication and driver handshake issues in the majority of cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.